Hello, everyone. Welcome to this week's episode of the Refrigeration News Podcast with me, Elena. As always, we're keeping it cool with the top stories in the world of refrigeration and cooling systems, covered with a sprinkle of fun facts. Let's dive in. First up, we're looking at some cool growth predictions in the carbon dioxide market. A recent report revealed that the global CO2 market was valued at a whopping $13.12 billion in 2024, and is expected to reach $21.11 billion by 2029. This surge is driven by industries like food, beverage, healthcare, and of course refrigeration, all focusing on reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The market's growth is particularly sizzling in the Asia-Pacific region, which captured a 45.94% share back in 2024. So get ready to see stronger growth across Africa and South America in the coming years too. Those numbers sure have us bubbling with excitement. Our next stop is Landskrona, Sweden, where Hitachi Energy is making a power move. They're investing a cool $77 million to expand their cooling systems factory to meet the warming demand. This expansion will double the production capacity, consolidate their operations, and bring everything under one roof. Not only does this mean more jobs and training, but it also solidifies Hitachi Energy's leadership in cooling technology for power transmission. It's an electrifying move for sure. Let's roll on to some more exciting developments from Danfoss, who's just extended their oil-free horizons with the new OFB range. This launch showcases an oil-free shutoff ball valve for use in chillers and heat pumps. Its sleek design integrates tight shutoff capabilities with state-of-the-art motoring. And guess what? It's compatible with their Turbocor compressors. With such fantastic flexibility and efficiency, it's a wide-open window to advanced HVAC applications and data centers. Talk about a valve you can really click with. Over in Denmark, the University of Southern Denmark, together with Danfoss and HPE, is setting up a state-of-the-art data center in Sønderborg. This facility will specialize in combining sustainable energy management with cutting-edge AI capabilities. Allowing researchers access to advanced computing resources, this project highlights a tremendous leap toward energy-efficient data centers. The surplus heat from the facility will be reused, ensuring that it's not just a hot topic but a green one too. Lastly, we've got a fresh order from Luv Group in Northern Europe that's bound to make waves. Luv Nordics secured a huge contract valued at 81.6 million to supply high-efficiency adiabatic dry coolers to a major Swedish data center operator. This landmark order brings to light the trust customers place in Luv's innovative technologies and engineering expertise. With strong demand fueling their growth, Luv Nordics is expanding its workforce to keep up and stay ahead. And that's a wrap on this week's top highlights in refrigeration. From economic forecasts to innovative expansions, it's clear that the industry's future is looking both cool and bright. Don't forget, you can read more about these stories and others on our website, refinedustry.com. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to join us next time for another round of chilled news with me, Elena. Stay cool, everyone.